In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dress expensive with SHEIN Summer Haul featuring vacation outfits, summer styles, and wardrobe basics. Let's dive right in and explore some fabulous and affordable options for your summer wardrobe. First things first, go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the SHEIN website. It's a treasure trove for both women's and men's fashion, boasting a wide array of styles suitable for any occasion. Once there, make sure you're on the home page where you'll easily spot the search bar. Right there, you can input your desired category, whether it be summer outfits or vacation outfits. This will lead you directly to a curated selection that's tailor-made for the season. Now, get ready for what's bound to be a delightful challenge, choosing from the vast collection of vacation and summer outfits SHEIN offers. With so many styles available, you'll find pieces that are not only trendy but also wallet friendly. Each outfit is crafted to keep you stylish and comfortable, perfect for those sun-drenched escapes or simply enjoying summer days at home. Once you've found an outfit that catches your eye, it's time to bring it one step closer to your closet. Click on it to view the details. Take a moment to read through the description and inspect the images to ensure it fits the look you've envisioned. Think about versatility and how this piece could work with items you already own, maximizing your wardrobe's potential. Now, let's add your chosen outfit to your cart. This step is crucial as it secures the piece for your purchase while you continue browsing. Click the Add to Cart button, but don't hit checkout just yet. This is a great time to look for complementary items that might enhance your selection. Perhaps a chic pair of sandals, a statement piece of jewelry, or a versatile cover-up could complete your summer ensemble. Remember that dressing expensive doesn't always mean paying high prices. It's about selecting pieces that look timeless, have a touch of sophistication, and can be mixed and matched to elevate your overall style. With SHEIN's vast selection, you're encouraged to get creative, experiment with colors and textures, and embrace new trends without fear of breaking the bank. Once your cart is finalized, double-check your selections. This ensures you've got everything needed for your summer wardrobe refresh. As you proceed to checkout, feel satisfied knowing you've made some savvy choices. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to navigating SHEIN for the perfect summer haul, helping you dress to impress without stretching your budget. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new